Hi, this is Venkat Narayana from Sunya Technologies. Today I am going to discuss if statement in C. This is continuation to previous video, part 1, operators in C. Please go through previous video before going through this video. If conditional statement will be executed based on condition. If condition is available in different variants. One is if else, nested if else if with logical operators. We'll discuss if statements using VS Code, launch VS Code and create C application. Get the input value from command prompt, printf, enter, is, declare a variable, int is, read the value from command prompt, scanf, percentage %d, comma, address of is. If is less than 80, printf, your is less than 18. Syntax for if is, here if we have expression, this expression will be anything like value or condition. Later we have one statement. Debug this code, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging or F5, later click step into or F11. Click on start debugging, printf, enter age. We need to read age from command prompt. Here age 15, enter. Here age is equal to 15, 15 less than 18, true. That means if condition will execute F11, your age is less than 18, and we are getting output as your age is less than 18. Here if condition contains only one statement, we will see if we have multiple statements. Now we will write one more statement, printf you are minor. Execute this code, go to run, click on start debugging, F11, read input, here 15, enter. 15 less than 18, true. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, here true. F11, this statement is executing. Later, this statement is executing. We are getting output as your age is less than 18, you are minor. I'll put /n here. I'll execute one more time. Go to run, click on start debugging. F11, here 20, enter. Here 20 less than 18, false. It exits from if, but this statement is executing. We are getting output as you are minor, but we provided 20, so we should not execute this statement. Then we need to change the code. Here add open brace and close brace. If we mention any statements within braces, then these statements comes under this condition. Run this code, go to run, start debugging, F11, here 20, enter. 20 less than 18, false. It exits from if and it's not printing anything. What we conclude here is, if condition contains only one statement, then open and close brace is not required. But if you have multiple statements, then we need to put those statements within open and closed braces. Now we'll discuss if else. Remove this code. Here, if is less than 18, open and close, printf your is less than 18 /n, printf you are minor, else printf your age is greater than 18 /n, printf you are adult. Execute this code, go to run, click on start debugging. Here we are getting some error. Go to problems, double click on this one. Expected declaration before close. To see what is error, here open, close, open, close. We have one extra brace, remove this one. Go to run, click on start debugging. Now no error. F11, read input from command prompt. Here 25, enter. Here 25 less than 18, false, it goes to else part. Here your age is greater than 18 and you are adult. And here we are getting output. Here in if else, if condition is true, then this part will execute. If condition is false, then else part will execute. Now we'll discuss nested if. What is nested if? If within if is called nested if. We'll check nested if with code. Remove this code. Printf. Enter input number. Int input scanf percentage d, comma, address of input. Now we need to check based on input number, we need to find even numbers or odd numbers. Now we'll use nested if input number less than 10, else if input number less than 10, we need to find even numbers. If input number greater than or equal to 10, we need to find odd numbers. Here, if input modulus 2 equal to 0, printf input percentage d is even number slash n, comma, input. Here if input not equal to 0, printf input percentage d is odd number slash n, comma, input. Execute this code, put breakpoint here, go to run, click on start debugging. F11, hit enter input number 20, enter. 20 less than 10, false, it goes to else part. Here this logic is incorrect, we'll change the code. Here input modulus 2 not equal to 0. Debug the code. F11, input number 21, enter. 21 less than 10, false, it goes to else part. Here 21 modulus 2 not equal to 0, true. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, here true. That means 21 is odd number. Here we are getting output as input 21 is odd number. We'll execute one more time, go to run, click on start debugging. F11, enter input number 8, enter. 8 less than 10, true. Then 8 modulus 2 equal to 0. We'll check this value, select this one, evaluate in debug console. Here input modulus 2 equal to 0, true. F11, here input 8 is even number. Here we have if condition. If this condition is true, it will go to inside, and here we have one more if. Here it will check that number is even number or not. This is called nested if. Now we'll check if else if with logical operators. Remove this code. Provide input. Here int a equal to 5, comma, b is equal to 3, comma, c is equal to 8. If a less than B and B less than C. A printf A less than B and B less than C. Else if A less than B and B greater than C, printf A less than B and B greater than C. Else if A greater than B and B greater than C, printf A greater than B and B greater than C. Finally, we have else. Printf no suitable condition. Debug this code. Go to run. Click on start debugging. We have error. Go to problems. Here double click on this one. Here we missed semicolon. Put semicolon. Debug this code. Go to run. Click on start debugging. F11. Here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 8. A less than B. We'll check this one. Right click. Evaluate debug console. Here A less than B false. Select this part. Right click. Evaluate in debug console. B less than 3 true. False and true. If you use logical AND operator, if any one is false, then complete expression is false. So this is false. It goes to else part. Here A less than B, select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, A less than B, false. That means 5 less than 3, false. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, here B greater than C, false. False and false, false. F11, it goes to else part. Here A greater than B, select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, A greater than B, true. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, B greater than C, false. True and false, false. F11 goes to else part. Here we are executing like no suitable condition. Here output is no suitable condition. This is if else if ladder. Here we are checking multiple conditions using AND operators. In the place of AND operator, we can use OR operator. We'll check with OR operator, remove this code. Or. Now debug this code, go to run, click on start debugging. Here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 3, C is equal to 8. Select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, A less than B, false. And select this part, right click, evaluate in debug console, B less than C, true. If you use OR operator, if any one condition is true, then that complete expression is true. So this statement is executing A less than B and B less than C. Then it will execute from else if ladder. Here we have if and we have another else if with condition. Else if with condition. Finally we have else part. That means if we don't have any suitable conditions here, then else part will execute. What we discussed in this program is if else, nested if else if with logical operators. That's it for today. If you like this video, please share with your friends and subscribe to my YouTube channel for future videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.